The movie Brothers. Talk about two brothers. There's Akshay Kumar and Siddharth Malhotra. Both of them had animosity for each other since they were blood brothers. But there was some kind of acrimony from the beginning. So actually they settled the matter in the ring, and he was severely injured, Siddharth, and one of his shoulder broke and one of the eye got severely damaged, but still he continued. He was like a fighter. And Akshay Kumar's name was David, and the other was Monty, and Jackie Shroff was the father of both of them. But in the beginning they have shown some kind of relationship, because of which they were separated from each other, but later on they came to know that they are brothers. So bottom line, boxing and uh, wrestling are two sports which should be totally banned, because a sport which doesn't give us anything, in fact it takes us, takes the strength, takes the blood from one's body. What is the fun in that kind of sport? And if one enjoys, then I think one should actually consult a psychiatrist. This sport has been there in India and abroad from a very long time. But my friends, there has to be an end to something which has been enjoyed, and it is detrimental for one's health. This is my keen interest in enlightening people that if this should has been happening further, it should not happen. And this movie, you enjoy the movie. Jacqueline is also there. Then there is Raj Jutsi. Then there are other characters as well. Kulbhushan Kharbanda is there. Kiran Kumar is there, etc., etc. Enjoy the movie, but just keep in mind the lives which goes in wrestling and boxing. It's actually a very pathetic state of affairs. So put an end to it now and now.